More than 2 months after its official reveal, GameSir has finally begun shipping one of its most anticipated special edition controllers. The GameSir G7 Pro Zenless Zone 0 Edition wireless controller for Xbox is now reaching customers who placed pre-orders, marking the latest collaboration between GameSir and HoYoverse. First announced in late September, this controller is themed around HoYoverse's action RPG Zenless Zone 0. While it shares its core hardware with the standard G7 Pro lineup, this edition targets fans with exclusive aesthetics and a substantial bundle of extras. The Zenless Zone 0 edition is priced at $129.99, making it $30 more expensive than the Wuchang Fallen Feathers edition, which currently retails for $99.99. However, the price increase comes with added value. Inside the box, buyers receive an additional interchangeable faceplate, 8 swappable thumbsticks, 4 silicone thumbstick covers, a dedicated carrying case, and an acrylic keychain. GameSir also includes an in-game item redemption card along with an Xbox Game Pass Ultimate code, making the package feel more like a collector's set than a standard controller purchase. From a performance standpoint, the controller remains unchanged from the standard G7 Pro model. It features Mag-Res TMR analog sticks, Hall effect triggers with adjustable trigger locks, and 4 fully remappable buttons, including lockable rear buttons for competitive play. Additional features include a built-in audio jack, motion control support on Windows, and a 1200 mAh battery, which is paired with an included charging dock for added convenience. Connectivity is one of the G7 Pro's strengths. The controller connects wirelessly to Xbox consoles and PC using a 2.4 GHz dongle, supports wired play on both platforms, and can also be paired with Android devices via Bluetooth, offering flexibility across multiple ecosystems. With the Zenless Zone 0 edition now shipping, attention is already shifting to what may come next. A Dragon's Dogma-themed GameSir controller, previously spotted at the Tokyo Game Show, is widely expected to be announced soon, though GameSir has yet to make anything official. For now, fans of Zenless Zone 0 finally have their hands on a premium controller designed to match the game's style and backed by GameSir's established hardware credentials.